Today we discuss the JAM Physics 2018 paper. Here the question from the electronics. This is the Boolean expression AB whole bar into A bar plus B into A plus B bar. Can be simplified to what? So, this is the expression in for AND gate. So, if we take the two inputs A and B and the output is Q, so then when AB is 0, Q is 1. When A is 1, B is 0, this is 0. When A is 0, B is 1, this is 0. When A is 1, B is 1 and Q is also 0. So, Q equals to A bar into B bar. So, by De Morgan's theorem, we can write this A plus B whole bar. If we put these values 0, 0 first these values 0, 0 in this expression, we get 1. If we put this 1, 0, we get 0. If we put 0, 1, we get 0. And if we put 1, 1, also we get 0. So, here Q is equal to A bar into B bar. So, this equals to A plus B whole bar. So, answer option C is the correct answer for this question. So, if you have any query regarding this question, you can contact us in this number. This is 98367 93076. You can WhatsApp us also in this number. This is 98367 93076. So, that's all for today.